Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make Roblox PFP mobile. First, launch the Roblox app on your phone or tablet. Once it's open, tap on the avatar icon, usually found at the bottom of your screen. This will take you directly to the avatar customization area. Make sure your internet connection is strong so everything loads smoothly. We're going to create a fantastic profile picture in just a few simple steps. Now for the fun part, customizing your avatar. Explore the vast array of options available, from heads and faces to shirts, pants, and accessories. Mix and match different styles to truly make your avatar unique. Don't be afraid to try out bold combinations. While many items are free, some premium options might require Robux, so keep an eye out for those perfect additions. With your avatar looking great, it's time to set the scene. Pick a dynamic pose that showcases your avatar's character. Next, select a background that complements your look. You can choose from various scenes or a simple solid color. Finally, carefully adjust the camera angle and zoom level to frame your avatar perfectly. Aim for a close-up that captures all the details you've worked hard on. You're almost there. Once you're happy with your avatar's pose and background, take a screenshot on your mobile device. Most phones do this by pressing the power and volume down buttons simultaneously. After capturing, go to your photo gallery and crop the image to focus tightly on your avatar. This ensures a clean, professional-looking profile picture. Now, you can easily upload it to your Roblox profile or share it with friends.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.